KICKASSETS. Cha-ching. We're going to the mountain. Papamarino.
So Shoshukan Realty has a lot of those properties that are in that north Akazawa, right along the coast in that little old Japanese community that I told you was like.
Yeah. Okay. Was that the blue house? Blue roof house?
There's multiple properties with them, but blue roof house being one of them.
Okay, because we're seeing two with him. Well, we're seeing the other one. The blue roof house wasn't. I didn't really like that one. So, but because he hung up on the phone with me as well. But then when I called him out later on the list, I'm like, oh, okay, I guess we can still. I might as well see it at the same time.
Okay, yeah.
We'll see.
Let's see it.
Little pizza Mexican place. Woo! Mexican! Mexicano! Oh yeah, you're from America. You get this shit all the time. I don't. So I love it. I love tacos, so.
Oh yeah.
I love Mexican food.
That's like one of San Diego's best things.
Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I had when I was there.
Wow, look at that house.
Too busy filming this Dido truck. I think I've been to this.
Oh wow, cute little.
I think I might have been to this area before.
Cute little area.
Yeah. There 4 times. I know what it's like there.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really, but I like the red sauce in Korea. I forgot what it's called.
Gochujang?
Yeah, I think it's really good. It's in the bibimbap and stuff like that. My Korean friends used to make ichiban ramen noodles and Korean noodles and put that sauce with egg and stuff. It's really good. I had a lot of Korean friends when I was in Vancouver.
Yep.
Here we come down to the ocean, folks.
A lot of Asians in Vancouver in general.
Oh yeah.
We're taking over.
Yeah, it's better to say there are a few white people there. And about 10 years from now, you'll only be able to see me, kind of guys like me in the museum. I wish I was joking with this. It is what it is. There was originally a lot of people from Hong Kong, and then suddenly after 2000, a lot of Koreans started coming. Or 1990s? Japanese have always been there since World War II, but not that many. Just a couple here and there. Yep.
There's such good Chinese food in Vancouver.
Yeah, it's because every block has like 3 restaurants.
So good.
That's a cool business I thought about doing.
Oh yeah, you're well on your way.
Yeah,
Cat hoarder.
Yeah, and they're all really unique cats too, so people would love them. Yeah. Okay. Hey, there's a hardware store, King's.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Gonna need it for that last house we saw. Oh man, Japan's so beautiful. So peaceful.
And so many sushi places. Oh!
Double whoa.
Whoa.
It's about the 15th time I've almost died today.
15? I think that's pretty conservative. It could be north of 30.
Well, at least she admits it.
I had warned you before you got into this car.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a wild ride.
You did.
I'm like trying to look, navigate, and drive.
Yeah. Enjoy the scenery. It's almost like we have a little town here. They have the real estate agent right in the entrance of this town, and here's the advertisements for all the properties here. Cool. Konnichiwa. See what's that? Huh. Alright, I guess we're going in here. Find out. Ichiroku. So you have to find the place yourself, it seems like. So where's 116? 116, 116, 116, 116, 116, 116, 116. Huh? 意味わかんない. Here we are at property number 5. Wow. We've already tied records. It's a little bungalow. Beautiful hedge on the side here, but with a big enough walkway to get around to the back. You got your own cliff in the backyard. That's a first. A lot of space back here. Oh, cool. You got your own old style staircase. Beautiful. Hey, neighbor. Would you like to be my friend? Would you like to be my neighbor? Hey, neighbor. Hello. Beautiful roof. Looks like it's in great shape. Beautiful entrance door. Look at that. Nice. It's big too. You can actually put a king size bed in this door. Ojama shimasu. 5回目. Oh, it's in great condition. Oh, it's got a new kitchen. 庭は綺麗ですね。
はい、平坦で角地で。
すごい。後ろの石が、結構昔からあったんですか？
もう
後継がなってるやつ。
ここの元々の石。
すごいですね。
ここ掘るともうすぐああいう石がある。
ああ、そうなの？
ほっとくと苔がきれいにつく。
すごいね。感動します。それ見るとね。
湿気がありそうだけども、見るとそんなに湿気ない。
はい。
海すごく近いんですよ。
あ、海近いんですか？
海直線でどれくらい80メーターぐらい。
So 80 meters to the ocean. Wow.
標高で海抜、磯釣り。はいはいはい。
釣りできるんですか？
できます。
You can fish.
釣りのポイントあります。
That was one of your things you mentioned. I thought that was a weird thing you mentioned, but okay.
釣り時期にもよりますけど、アオリイカだとかヒラマサが釣れます。
Oh, you can catch different kinds of fish. I don't know the bluefish. I'm not sure what he said. He said 2 different types of fish. すごいね。
はい。
そう。釣りのこと気にしてるから。そう。あれ？
和室2つ。
あ、そういう意味か。あ、ドア取ってあるってことですね。
そう、仕切れます。8畳6畳。
エアコンもついてる。
はい。
今まで住んでる人がもういないんですか？引っ越したんですか？
いや、まだこれから、まだ住んでますから。
今住んでる。
お客さん気に入ったら。
これ別荘って感じですね。
今お住まいです。永住です。
今住まい。
今住んでます。
じゃあ今いないってこと？
仕事。はい、今案内するから。記憶させて。はい。
Oh, なるほど。So there's people still living here right now, but because we're here to see it, they kicked them out. They asked them to leave. So. これ新しいですか？こういうドア。This is all renovated, brand new.
All the tatami?
The doors and stuff like this. No, the doors. Like these doors cost a bit of money to make, so. Really nice yard. Like it's open space. Look at that. Those are original rocks from a long time. I was just.
Very beautiful.
That's very beautiful. That's cool. Really nice. Out your back door. There's a bus from here too. Cool, I didn't know that. Interesting. You said a lot of people are moving here now? It's very convenient. It's very well kept house. It's like I said, like different people have different standards. It's either high or low. It's kind of weird. Oh, these. じゃあこの物件は結構リフォームされてるんですね。A lot of this house has been reformed. That's all reformed. Yeah, don't. Yeah. It is. This is all brand new. So you can tell it's been renovated too. The roof looks really nice if you haven't seen it yet. It's old Kawada style, but it looks like it's in great shape.
This is like a just. I don't know if you know this type of question, but like.
Fusuma?
Could all of this be taken down to make it into one room?
質問ですけど、これ工事で取って一つの大きい部屋にできる。
One room.
One room.
もしかしたら一つ
Like maybe starting from here.
Yeah.
Not the
残さ
closet.
ないと
はい
一本ぐらい。
じゃあこのまま残してこっちだけ
で、それは OK。
Okay. Maybe he said okay for that. Yeah, because there's a closet over there, so I wouldn't want to bother that. This is really nice. And you got little hedges on the side there.
Yeah, for some privacy.
Oh, more space.
The onsen is there.
Okay. You're making me.
Or no,
That's
that
a,
wasn't
that's a
it.
toilet.
Here.
I knew it. I'm like, that doesn't look like it. Okay, here it is. What owns that? Okay. That's quite big. Lots of space. That looks like it's been all renovated over there. Huh. You can even you can treat it like a Rotemburo mitai.
Oh,
Yeah, you can treat it like an outside bath because you can open the window. That's you don't know what I'm talking about? I know what I'm talking about. One more for people. Look at that. In your shower room, you have an actual balcony you can open up there. Oh, that's so cool. Told you it was. She's laughing over there. Hey, sexy. よかった。すごいね。You have any questions? You okay?
Yeah, no. It's it's got one bath. It's like a smaller place, single level, but
It's a bungalow. It's a nice bungalow.
It's nice. Very traditional.
まあ2階はないからすぐ見れた。That's funny.
It's a little nicer than the pictures actually showed. It's a little nicer than the
Yeah,
pictures.
that happens. そう思ったよりも綺麗ですね。なるほど。ありがとうございます。作るのにいくらぐらいかかるかな。
どうだろ
50万円？
う。いや、もうちょっといくと思います。
もうちょっといく？何十万円？
ただこの枠？
全部ドア入れて枠とか。
サイズがぴったり合えば、
はい
規格もんだったら50ぐらいでいっちゃいます。
Okay.
そのピンから切りまでね。
ああ、なるほど。So it can cost you anywhere between 500,000 yen and 1,000,000 yen to get a door like this. So that has massive value right there. It's really nice. I love these doors. You can actually bring a king size bed into here if you wanted. It's very nice. すごいね。I love these hedges.
Yeah, the hedges are very nice. Can you ask if there's like a preferred list of gardeners that they use to maintain homes?
この辺の人たちは庭やるときにやる人がいますか？
いろいろいっぱいいる。
Yeah, he said there's many people like that.
選べる。
選べるってことですね。そうそう、自分で。だって、例えば別所で使うだったら、
伊藤は植木屋さんいっぱいいます。
あ、いっぱいいますか？なるほど。じゃあ海だったらどこまで行けばいいか？あっち？海までだったら。
あっち方向。
あっち方向？すごいね。あるんですね。
今ここね、さっき管理事務所ね、
はい、
国道があって管理、
はい、
今ここね、
はい、
もうここ海。
海近いですね。はい、これ海っていうか、入ってもいいですか？
海岸、はいはい。
泳げる？
泳げない。
釣りだけ？
海岸釣りだけ。
はい。
絶壁、ここまで高さ、
はい。
35メーターぐらい、標高、海抜。
すごいね。
だから津波も安心かもしれない。
There's the beach.
Yeah.
Look how close that is.
Yeah. I want to see it, but then in the interest of time, I can check that out on my own.
Yeah, okay.
So,
見たいって言ってるけど、ちょっと、歩きないよね。
ちょっと時間かかるね。
そうだね。
で、
じゃあこの
海、この先の海は、ストーンだから。
あ、キュウリ。だから、
一区画 区画があるから、
はい。
別荘が。
じゃあ階段とか階段ないですか？
降りるところはもうちょっと行く。
はい。
ちょっと車で行きますか？行きます？
He asked if he wants to take you there. いいですよ。はい、お願いします。